Here you have a 26 BHS. We'll walk around the outside and then walk around the inside. Stairs, also with the stabilizer jack for the stair. Door hold. You have a power awning with speakers at each end. 4 stabilizer jacks on each corner. Trailer is equipped with solar plug-in, so you could add a panel to the roof or out front here. And there you go, pass-through storage. Here's the handle in here for the jack, stabilizer jack. You have a power tongue jack with the light. 2 30-pound propane bottles inside. Battery. Make sure you take that off in the winter and store it properly. Same thing, pass-through storage, and you'll notice there's a magnetic door holders. When parking your trailer, make sure you leave enough room for your slide out. Tinted glass all the way around. Your docking station. So there's a little lever here to hold the door open. So you'll notice this blue lever. If you're dry camping, you can take water with you. Filling through this here. Here's filling your tank. If you're having your white hose hooked up, this is where you're putting it, right here. There's a hose in the front compartment. Hot and cold running water right here. Satellite or cable hookup is right here. This bottom one here is for the black tank. To if you wanted to flush it, make sure you have the black tank termination valve open. Okay, so here's your gray tank and your black tank. And here's your sewer connection right here. There's your pull handles. Always, when you're at the dump station, dump the black first, then the gray. There'll be a sewer hose in this end of the bumper. Alright, you have a low point drains right here, draining your water system. Hot water tank right here. It's already winterized right now. I'll show you where you start that inside. Exhaust for the furnace. Make sure you don't put anything near this, flammable. Back side of your fridge. Overhead exhaust of your stove. There's a little door here you can open. Plug in right here. And also another spot to fill your water tank right here with the low point drain to drain that tank below. So we'll go inside. Light as soon as you come in. You have a monitor panel. It tells you your battery level, fresh water, black and gray. Awning, extend right here. You can see that. And retract. Okay. Slide out. You can button right here on the wall when you come in. Push it. As soon as you hear that little click, let off the button. Also, the awning lights are here and interior lights, which also have a button on them, so you could select them to what you'd like. USB port as soon as you come in, and a 110 power port on either side. Connection, take your trailer, you could plug it in at home to 110, a trailer adapter, and a toilet chemical to get you started. Glass stove top. Make sure the glass is out of the way when you try to light it. Has a striker on it. select the burner, turn your striker. And let that cool down before you close the lid. Also has a nice light. Also, you can use that striker. You gotta to do your oven. You hold it, push in, and turn your striker. And you'll see it sparking back there. This is all your breakers and fuses. There's a little cooling fan running in there. So in the event something isn't working electrical, this might be a spot to check first. Fridge, good size fridge. Turn it on with this button. You can go to mode. It's on propane right now. You could hear it just lit. Temperature, you just select what you'd like. 3 is probably a good spot to try it. Mode, if you're hooked into hydro, that's where you want to be. And off. So your thermostat mode, fan, there's fans on, there's your furnace is off, temperature, that's your coolant, AC, you'll see with the snowflake, and your furnace has the heat, and again off. Set your temperature on the right side. Bunk beds, lights, has power, USB port, charging stuff. There's another light down on the bottom one. Bathroom has a light and a fan switch. Toilet tells you right here how to use it. Add water to flush, push the pedal all the way down. Vent, roof vent, right there for your fan. Dinette table goes to a bed, then just adjust the cushions accordingly. Another bed on the pull-out couch. Just pull the bottom, flip it out. Blinds are just pull down. And the windows have these little tabs here. Pull on each side and that's how they open. Master bedroom has the emergency exit. Also, bed lifts up for storage underneath. Plug in on each side, night table with USB on one side. There's another reading light up top. Doors have a little clasp up top for privacy. TV, now you can sometimes get TV channels just on antenna, so you'd do a search on air for that. Also your stereo is all incorporated with that, and I think that's it. That concludes our tour. Hope you enjoy your trailer. Thank you very much.